Hello and welcome back. So today I reached in the bucket of locks that Jeff Moss sent me. And I reached in and grabbed this one on purpose because this one, I remember whenever, it is a Sargent padlock. It has a aftermarket key, ESP. Well, that's showing up, but it is. Anyways, it is a US lock made in the USA, Sargent. But when he sent this lock, I remembered when I got it out of the package that it would only turn counterclockwise. Okay. Now I don't want to go either direction. Alright, well, apparently this key doesn't work at all. I know it worked out of the package. Alright, well, if the key worked, this is what the bidding would be on it. But I don't usually have keys to things that I pick, so we'll go ahead and throw it in the vise and see if I can get into it. We don't need no keys. Come on now. Let's see if we can get into this thing. I know that key worked whenever he sent it to me. I just threw it in the bucket and hadn't pulled it out till just now, so I don't know. That thing is a wide open keyway. I shouldn't have any problems getting my 50 thousandths on the top of that. Oh yeah, and if I remember correctly, the key only worked one direction, so it was counterclockwise. That's why I grabbed this lock today. But we're gonna try to pick it counterclockwise. And we'll just use my gem style that I made. Let's zoom in, hopefully. There we go. And just like that. And like I said, we're going to try to get this thing open. Key doesn't work, so, you know, maybe we can do it with a pick. Okay, I got a little bit on what felt like 3 there. 1. Alright. 2. Should leave 4 and 5 back there somewhere. There it was, 5. Alright, well, we can get into it with a, the thing is unlocked. We can get into it with a pick, but we can't get into it with a key, so I've never been very good with keys anyway, so but at any rate, it is a beautiful Sargent I got from Jeff Moss. Thank you very much for this lock. You know what, I'm going to zoom out here for a second. Try to figure out, look at this. I'll find out why the key doesn't work. I'm a little confused here. I know it worked when I... That key does not work. I don't see any reason why it worked before and it doesn't now. Oh well. Anyway, key don't work. So either way, thank you very much for this lock, Jeff. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time, and well, don't break the law.